Hello, once again, welcome to GIJO Gadgets YouTube channel. Yes, today I'll be unboxing this little guy, okay? So before I unbox, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. Okay, thank you. Hi again. Yes, welcome back. So today I got this little small tiny RC car, okay? Okay, all right. So it's very small box, okay? So the packing is a bit dented. Okay. So okay, this comes with blue color and green color, I guess. So it's a rapid monster. The maximum speed of this is a 20 km per hour. The scale is 1/32 scale, and it uses the depot battery. Also, there's with the light and also remote control. Okay. All right. So I just do the unboxing. Okay. Just take off the tab here. Never mind. Just it's easier just to cut. So I guess this is the smallest RC car that I have. Just to find out, see how small is it and what can I do with it. Probably can install FPV. Wow, cute. Okay, so this came with a manual. It's in English and also in Chinese. Okay, it's no Malay as well. All right. So what is this? This is the horn. Okay, the traffic cone. See, mini traffic cone. All right, and this is what do you call this? I think it must be a dumb barrel. I think, and stickers. Okay. This is a USB charger to charge the LiPo battery, and I guess this is the antenna, so-called a dummy antenna, and a screwdriver and two little screw for spare. Okay. Yeah, so this is one of the instruction. Rip off the body protection film before use. Okay, so this is the film. All right. Wow. Okay, so it's considered really mini. So there's a power on off here, and the LiPo battery is connected here. Okay. Small. 1/32 scale. Okay. So this is the remote control. Okay. For the steering is the click button. All right. So there's a low high speed here. Okay, so let's try to put in the battery and give a ride. So you can use the screwdriver that is provided. Okay, so the remote use 2 AA battery. Right, so I have battery with me here. So let's give a try. Okay, so there's a LED is power on. And we close the cover back first. Okay, so this we put to on. Let's keep the screw first. And then this is the car. And just put to on. Okay, so it's not on yet. Probably the battery is not connected yet. Let's open and check it out. So yes, it uses a small LiPo battery, very small, okay, very tiny. A battery 3.7 100 mAh. Okay, you see that? Okay, cannot focus, too small. Okay, never mind. So it's 100 mAh. So I just plug the LiPo battery. Yes, you have to follow the color and then one-sided only. Okay. So make sure you connect to the right polarity, the positive and negative sign. You have to look and see properly. Like just now, I was about to make a big mistake. Okay, so let's cover up. Okay, this really need to lock with the screw, else the battery will just drop off while you're cruising. Okay, so we power up and power up. There you are. So with LED. Okay, so it's power on. Okay, it's power on, and the LED is permanent, which means binary. Okay, so this is right and left, right, left. Okay, okay, so it's a two wheel car, forward and reverse, forward and reverse. Wow, this absorber spring some more. Cute. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's nice. Oh, not bad. Oh, wow. Okay. Nice toy. Nice toy. Just the size of your palm of your hand, right? So I think it's a good gift for children during this Christmas time. All right. So according to the web, it say the usage time is about 17 minutes, and the remote control distance is about 25 meter. Okay, I think that is good enough. Okay, so for this we can install the FPV camera, and then we can go cruising under the chair or under the car. So I think that's about it. Okay, so it is good. Nice, right? Okay, so thank you for watching.